Okay, now for a topic that is using your some graphing skills as well as Pythagorean's theorem. So first things first, understanding what we're talking about, midpoint on a number line. The point on a number line that is halfway between two endpoints. So if I have a distance here, right, from here, I want M is the midpoint from A to B, add A plus B divided by 2, right? Just finding an average more or less, so finding the midpoint. Now we can also find the midpoint on a coordinate plane. So the point on a coordinate plane that is halfway between two endpoints. So again, one point here at x and y, another point x and y, x1 y x2 divided by 2, y1 y2 divided by 2. That's the midpoint. Not a terribly difficult formula, just an averaging. An example for us. AB has endpoints -4, 9. What is the coordinate of the midpoint here? So -4 and 9. Add them together, divide by 2. 2.5 is the midpoint. EF has, line EF has endpoints 7, 5, 2, -4. What are the coordinates of its midpoints? So again, E is 7, 5, F is 2, -4. You plug those numbers in. So the x coordinate, again, 7 and 2, right? There's the 7 and 2. The y coordinates, 5 and -4. 5 and -4. And again, make sure you put them in order, right? 1, 2, 1, 2. Divide by 2 in both cases. 4.5, 0.5. That would literally be the midpoint here. So again, 4.5 is the x coordinate. So 2, 3, 4, 0.5, about halfway there. And up 0.5. So right in about there is the midpoint of that line. Now that we have that out of the way, we also have distance formula. This one looks a lot like Pythagorean's theorem, don't you think? The distance between 2 points, 1 and 2. So again, point A, x1, y. That's funny. That's why it looks so weird. This should be y1 right here. There we go. The distance between 2 points, again, x1, y1, and x2 and y2, so A and B. You plug in the coordinates. It's literally all you have to do. So put your x's here, your y's here. Again, make sure you do 1, 2, 1, 2, so you don't mix them around because that really messes things up. Square them, add them, take the square root. So let me say that again. So subtract them, square them, so subtract and square, then add, then take the square root of that number. Again, that's distance. An examples here. Points U and V, and I want to find the distance between those two. So U is -7, 5, V is 4, -3. You literally just plug them in here, right? So the notice we picked this as point 2, right? Or point 1, well 2, yeah. So 4 here, -7 here. Watch your negatives. -3 here, or 3 here, I'm sorry. -3 here, -5 here. That's what I'm trying to spit out, for Pete's sake. Anyway. Do the math inside, square it, add them, take the square root. Going to need a calculator in this case. About 13.6 is the distance there. So I just got done doing your trig stuff. I did it before this one, so my brain's a little bit shot, I think. But anyway, there you go. We'll do some examples here, but here's your vocab.